it is safe to say it's dead. Time to get all that crap out of there. So let's go out there, let's get rid of all that dead stuff, and we're doing lawn work today, so you know what that means. Crocs for lawn work. So if you didn't catch the last video, we're killing the lawn, we're starting over. And we have already applied glyphosate 2 times. I've looked around and I don't see any more green stuff in the lawn. So we finally got a break in this hot weather, and now it's time to do the scalp. The whole point of this is to remove all the dead material that we can that's there, get rid of any thatch buildup that we might have had, so that way when we are ready to next come in and level and plant our seed and everything like that, we have a good, even, nice surface to do that on. I've got my Time Master right here that I'm going to use. You want to just basically do a very low cut on your lawn to try to get rid of all the material that's there. We're going to use the Time Master today. And yes, you want to be bagging this stuff. Get it out of here. Obviously, don't mulch it back in. Point number 1 is this is going to get messy. This is going to get really dirty. You're essentially mowing a hayfield. Make sure that you're willing to take a shower after you're done. I recommend wearing a dust mask. I have this mask here from RZ Masks. Best mask I've ever had for this. I get seasonal allergies, so anytime I cut the grass I get nasally and such. Prepare to get dirty, but drop that mower deck down as low as you can get it and just go to town.
Ran out of gas.
I was actually hoping that would happen because I got a new fuel filter. Let's swap that out real quick. My papa once told me, use the right tool for the job. The crow concurs.
Channel locks or pliers with a flat head should help this go easier. Old fuel filter out. Here's our new one. Here our clamp. Plug that in there. Plug that in there. And there you go.
So after you get your first pass done, there's one very important step that you have to do in order to make sure that this is a success. Get yourself a nice ice cold beverage to sip on, take a break. Round 1 done, a lot of the debris is gone, but we need to get as much out as we can, get down to the dirt as much as we can. This is where I recommend you dethatch. I have a Brindley tow behind dethatcher. I made a dethatching video a little while back. I'll link it up in the corner so you can go check that out. I'm gonna hook that up to the back of my Cup Cadet lawn tractor, drag that around and get as much of this crap out as I can. Who says you can't stripe dead grass? Well, we have scalped it down now. All that dead materials is gone as it's gonna be. You wanna be able to get to the point where you get to see soil. Here, you know, down in here, you can actually see the soil. Seed to soil contact is king in this process. If you need to go over this again with a Sunjoe or something, you can do that. Otherwise, next we'll be leveling and bringing in the seed and just planting the lawn, really. So I hope you'll stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.